Meet the MSK1, short for Multi-Scenario Knife 1, a tool designed to handle various situations. It's a knife that's sure to catch the eye of survivalists, especially since it's created by David Pinsky, a well-known expert and a former Marine. Besides its 117mm long blade, the knife features removable layers hiding a set of tools for fishing, fire building, water collection, and equipment repair. Complete with a branded sheath and a ferro rod striker stored in it, the MSK1 is priced at $179. Now that we have a fire starter, let's check out the fire strip roll. It's a water-resistant tinder that ensures you can start a fire in any conditions. Packed into a compact 8.4 cm diameter puck-like box, the waxed fiber paper stretches out 15 m, plenty for numerous hikes. Plus, the box weighs only 110 g, making it easy to carry several pieces in your clothes and backpack pockets. The fire strip roll is priced at $17. The Zakis rope canister offers a clever twist on ordinary rope. It's a cool-in and survivalist accessory that resembles a Scotch tape dispenser but in the shape of a can. Priced at $20, it comes with 37 m of rope. The can is sturdy and fits in a cup holder while the rope can hold up to 500 kilograms. The Path 22 compass is your guide to finding the right products and the right path. Despite being no bigger than a coin, it features interchangeable modules allowing buyers to choose between air-filled and liquid-filled versions. In either case, the dial is bright and the lanyard hole enables you to use the compass as a keychain. Available in titanium or brass and priced at $433 respectively, both options are durable and can withstand half an hour underwater. However, the titanium one is lighter at 12 g compared to 22 g. Pharmacoel has achieved great success in water purification, and even the U.S. Army relies on its solutions. Among their products is the AquaPure system, which purifies water using electrolysis, eliminating over 99% of bacteria and viruses. A full charge can purify more than 150 L of water. Included test strips provide added assurance of water quality, and you can recharge the battery using the built-in solar panel. The system is priced at $100. Your jacket got snagged on thorny bushes? No need to worry if you have a Zen Gear set of 11 patches in your backpack. They're all self-adhesive with the largest measuring 5 by 8 centimeters. These waterproof patches are suitable for use on raincoats and umbrellas. Even if a down jacket gets damaged, the procedure is simple. Just push back the filling, then stick and press the patch with no need for sewing or ironing. Your hike is saved. The kit is priced at $12. Whether Glow-M's glow sticks deserve a spot in a survivalist backpack is for you to decide. What we can tell you is that they glow for 12 hours, twice as long as competing alternatives. Plus, they're visible at a range of 1.6 kilometers. Additionally, these sticks are non-toxic, leak-proof, and water-resistant. A set of 12 with green light costs $14. Meet Tempest, a quick setup shelter packed with advanced features. Its main poles effortlessly snap into place with a single motion. Stay cool and comfortable with the Cool Guys and adaptive vent ventilation system, regulating airflow and quickly lowering the temperature inside by a few degrees. Rain not an issue? The multi-layer Aquatex fabric will keep you dry for over 25,000 hours. The Tempest RS Bray version weighs 10.4 kilograms and is priced at $611. Now that you have a shelter, let's talk about sleeping arrangements, specifically the SB9 Sleeping Bags. These bags stand out for their built-in heating, making them suitable year-round. Each bag comes with 2 heaters, and you can purchase an additional 2 if needed. Despite being an all-season option, the SB9 is a quarter more compact than similar products, weighing 3.8 kilograms. Alongside the zipper that runs all around, there are magnetic buttons. Plus, each kit includes a pillow and carrying bag. The price for all of this is $14. The Instafire Inferno is a perfect fit for camp heating. Even though it looks small, don't underestimate its power. It can heat up to 650 degrees Celsius, and its flames stay strong even in winds up to about 13 meters per second. Plus, you'll have no problems with fuel. If you're out of fire starter pouches or fire pucks, just use some branches, boil water in 2 minutes, and enjoy a hot meal anywhere. The Instafire Inferno is priced at $140. At the camping site, there's always plenty to do, from chopping firewood to digging fire pits or sinkholes. That's where the Max kit comes in handy. At its core is an 86 centimeters long axe complemented by a hoe, a shovel, and 6 other tools, offering versatility for various tasks. The possibilities are endless and limited only by the buyer's imagination. All of these tools are neatly stored in a back with an additional case provided for the axe. The Max kit is so useful that sellers believe it should be a standard inclusion in cars designed for tough conditions, which explains the price of $289. The Backpack Barge 2.0 is a versatile option that appeals to hunters, fishermen, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's a folding boat with a 136 kilograms capacity, doubling as a tub for cleaning fishing rods or dogs, or even serving as an improvised refrigerator with 125 L of space. Let your imagination run wild and have as much fun as you like. All it takes is $120, but remember to find someone willing to carry the extra 3.8 kilograms of weight.